It is my privilege today to bring this absolutely gorgeous 1979 Pontiac 10th anniversary Trans Am to you guys. She's looking for a new home. This is a very original car, not without some light restorations, but extremely original. Pampered since day one with 4,588 miles on the odometer. We do have mileage records of this car, and that seems to fall right in line. This is show quality everywhere you look. Let's start it up. The automatics, by the way, came with cruise control, which the 4-speeds did not. Other than that, all of them, whether they were stick or automatic, were just completely loaded to the gills. Special edition. I drove this car just a little while ago. It drives like brand spanking new from 1979. Let's check this out here. Power antenna. Many times those don't work on these cars. This one certainly works perfect. Expensive to fix too. AM/FM stereo.
Get to a better state, State Farm.
Right there. How about a little Steppenwolf from back in the day, 8-track. Cold air conditioning too. I just love this year, 1979 Trans Am. Pontiac knocked it out of the park with this special edition called the 10th Anniversaries. I think they made one for each Pontiac dealership back in the day. People knew right from the beginning this was going to be a collector car. But not all of them survived as nicely as this car. Beautiful touches, special bird on the 10th Anniversaries. The wings come all the way up into the fender. The paint on this car is absolutely beautiful. Of course, your smoked T-tops. Beautiful leather interior in these cars. Matching silver leather. The piping is held up very well on this car. Beautiful factory console. Just loaded, loaded, loaded. That's the way they came. Power windows and all the great features. Shaker hood, removable T-tops, 4-wheel disc brakes, WS6. Fabulous rear end treatment this year on the Trans Ams. I love the splitter chrome exhaust tips on both sides, and these taillights were amazing. Many would argue that these are the most attractive Trans Ams that were ever built. Kind of hard to argue with that. Let's take a little peek under the hood. First, let me show you inside how clean this car is. Of course, your factory buzzer still works. All your stickers. No rust on this baby anywhere. Beautifully preserved. There it is right there. Absolutely beautiful. Sitting right where Pontiac put it in 1979. The automatic car's got the Oldsmobile 403 4-barrel high-performance V8. Of course, factory air and all the goodies. Shaker hood, right there. These didn't put out quite as much horsepower as the Pontiac version, However, they had much better low-end torque, which is actually what launches you off the line. And so they gave really spirited performance. They feel great. I just drove the car, like I said. There's your cruise control unit right there. Fabulous, smooth performance. Power disc brakes there. Power steering. Factory markings still in place. I think this one right here is probably New Car Get Ready at the dealer, the original selling dealer. Right there. It's my guess because I worked New Car Get Ready many years ago, and we each had to sign with our own number. In case the car had any problems, they knew who to take it back to. If you have an interest in a rare and beautiful 79 10th anniversary Trans Am, I highly recommend this car. You can give me a call. My name is Jeff Whitaker. You can reach me at 410-562-9319.